advice would you give to other entrepreneurs who's, starting out business or struggling in the business? What advice would you give them?
The ones who are struggling?
Mm.
Man, I would say to them, hang out with collaborators, friends, confidants that are not afraid to say the good stuff behind your back and the bad stuff to your face.
Mm.
Because we become our environment becomes us, we become our associations become us. We got to choose the people in our orbit wisely, right? And so if they are suffering, reach out to those in your circles, but be sure you've chosen them wisely. Because if you're suffering, if you're in trouble, the quality people in your orbit will always be there to assist you. Who do I need in my orbit to get me to where I want to go faster? Don't do it alone.
Love that. Sounds like you've been hurt in the past as well. So you've been through the the trials and tribulations of people, and yeah, just like myself as well. It's all about finding the right ones in your circle that you can fall back on.
That's when, but that's when we live. Well, that's in the old days when I used to live my life by default. Now my life is so designed. The people I have around me are solid. Friends that are so true and so loyal and so much fun that there is no paranoia, no doubt. There's no doubt, we shouldn't be doing that, and so I'm not saying that it's difficult to come into the circle. It's just that we're all very discerning because we all live our lives by design.